So folks, we had a little bit of a problem. The fuel pipe has been leaking recently. So we've had to go and search for a new pipe. And all the Toyota dealerships do not have it in the whole of Australia. So myself and Robert have gone to the wreckers.
Well,
Going to use it that way, or
we can
do the hose?
drain it through here because we don't have to drain the bottom part of the tank.
Make sure your eyes are protected.
Yeah, I have glasses on as well, so all good.
Now is the dish clean?
Yep.
No.
Oh, we can let the fuel settle anyway and drain it. Into,
yeah, a little bit at the bottom doesn't matter.
there'll be some dirt comes down with this pipe as well.
Tuesday morning, folks.
Dum dum dum. The old one.
Look at this, peeps. We've got about 55 litres.
Let's put these spare ones on. No, I shouldn't do that. We'll use those. We know that these ones are good. Actually, I'll use the old ones. Them coming out slowly because the petrol cap's on and it's just working against that. Oh, let's put these on the same way that way. So it should be okay. Well, it'll drip until it's until it clamps and done up.
Oh, I see.
That's the theory.
I was expecting instantaneousness, you know what I mean?
Yeah, magic. Unless they sold us a faulty new pipe.
Did you check it though?
Yeah,
It looked
pretty good.
Okay.
Looked good and felt good.
So look at this, folks. The magic of Robert. We went to a wreckers yard, because nowhere in the whole of Australia, in the Toyota dealerships, had one. Not even the hose people. So we went to a wreckers, we picked up one from a wrecked Toyota, and hopefully we'll be driving again soon. Happy days. Let's see. Amazing.
I had visions of losing a whole tank of fuel, so that was good.
Yeah, we just filled it up, about 55 litres. Petrol is quite cheap down this way, which is a bonus.